Welcome back everyone. Today's video is quick and easy recipe that I have been making on repeat, and it is so good so I had to share here on YouTube with you guys. We are making baked fish cakes with homemade tartar sauce, and the best part about this recipe is that it is baked, not deep fried, which will lighten up these fish cakes but still keeping them seriously tasty. So what are we waiting for? Let's try this fish cake recipe now. I have taken 500 grams of cod. Use any flaky fish for this recipe. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and sprinkle some salt and pepper to the fish on both sides and bake for 15 minutes. You can also use any leftover baked fish from the night before if you have. While our fish is baking, boil one potato. Once done, allow it to cool down, then peel and mash the potato properly. After 15 minutes, let's check on our fish. Remove it in a mixing bowl, and with the help of a fork, we'll flake the fish. The vitamins, minerals and healthy fats found in cod provide significant health benefits. Cod is a low-fat source of protein, making it an excellent choice for people who would like to reduce their fat intake and improve their heart health. After our flaking is done, we'll add 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons of chopped broccoli, some spring onions, 1/4 cup mozzarella, and to zing up the mild flavor of cod, add 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of dill leaves for fresh and citrus taste. When chopping fresh dill leaves, remove the feathery fern-like leaves from the thick center stem and chop them finely. Using freshest ingredients for this recipe really does make the difference. Now add the dill leaves to the mixing bowl. Add some salt to taste. Don't add too much because we already added some salt while baking the fish. Some freshly cracked black pepper. 2 tablespoons of butter for rich taste, and it adds moisture to the fish. If you're using your leftover fish, then don't forget to first melt your butter. My fish just came out of the oven, so I am adding room temperature butter, which I can mix very easily with other ingredients. Add 2 eggs for binding the ingredients together. When the ingredients are evenly mixed, we'll refrigerate this mixture for minimum of 30 minutes before we start making our fish cakes. While our mixture is chilling, let's make tartar sauce to serve along with these fish cakes. To make this sauce, we'll need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. If you're looking for a lower fat option, then Greek yogurt can also be used. Fresh lemon juice for some tang, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion for some crunch, a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill leaves. Chop some dill pickle. If you don't have dill pickle on hand, you can substitute it with some sweet relish. A teaspoon of chopped capers. Fresh lemon juice, when combined with capers, adds even more flavor to this sauce. Mix it very nicely And our tartar sauce is ready. We'll refrigerate it before serving with the fish cakes. After 30 minutes, remove the mixture from refrigerator and we'll start shaping them into fish cakes. Line your baking tray with parchment paper and take the small portion of the mixture. I am using 2 tablespoons per cake and give it the shape of a patty. Very gently place it on the baking tray and finish making all the fish cakes in a similar way. Now bake the fish cakes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then flip the sides and bake again for another 8 minutes. Remove them from the oven and place them in a serving dish and serve hot with chilled tartar sauce. These fish cakes are ideal starter for a get-together, and I promise you will end up getting lots of appreciation and compliments for your cooking. I hope you loved this recipe as much as we did. Please share in the comment section your experience and how do you like your fish cakes, fried or baked. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more simple and tasty recipes.